How to change password on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to change your password on Instagram. So first things first, open up your Instagram app and then head over to your profile icon on the bottom right corner and then tap on the three lines on the top right. Now, tap on Account Center. Go ahead and tap on Password and Security under Account Settings. Now, tap on Change Password. And now, as you can see, you'll need to type in your current password and then put in your new password. Just make sure that your password is at least 6 characters and includes a combination of numbers, letters, and special characters. Then just retype a new password and then just tap on Change Password, and you can tick the log out of other devices if you want to, or untick if you want to. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.